have a new video for you guys, another Passover video. I posted my how to host a Seder a few days ago, so I'll link that below if you haven't seen it yet. But today I have a very special little helper named Max. He's about 1.5 years old, and we are gonna make matzo brei. So I'm gonna show you guys yes, how we make it. So this is what we're gonna need: eggs, butter, 2 bowls, some milk, or you could use water, and matzah. And then we have some like toppings for ours. We have blueberries and strawberries because it's Max's favorite, but you could go savory and do like spring onions and avocado, or you can go sweeter and do like bananas, syrup, anything like that. It's like an egg dish, so however you like your breakfast is totally fine. So Max is going to help me with the matzah portion of this, and maybe some other stuff. So what we're gonna do is take 2 sheets of matzah and break them up into the bowl. Okay, here are my 2 sheets, and my little helper is going to help me do the breaking part. We're gonna help break it. There we go. Ready? Oh no, it's not for eating yet. Break it. Yeah. Wanna break yours? Wanna break mommy's piece? By the way, if you're new to my channel, I forgot to say, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, motherhood, and minimalism with kids. So definitely subscribe to see more, and give this video a thumbs up if you like. Oh, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any special matzo brei recipes. I'd love to try out some new ones this year. The best chefs always sample their dishes throughout the creation, so. Is it yummy? Like matzah. Okay, so once you have your matzah broken up, you're going to take some milk and cover the matzah because you want to soften it just a little bit. So I like to use probably about 1/2 cup for 2 sheets of matzah. And we're just using organic whole milk. And like I said, you could use water also. I'm gonna pour in about 1/2 cup. Now you're gonna help me. You're gonna help me pour it in? Ready? Whoa, let's go, ready? Here we go. Whoa, good job. Now we're gonna smush it. Smush it. Milky matzah, yummy. And you're just gonna leave it to sit for about 2 minutes or so. It depends how you like it. I don't like mine too soft. I still like a little bit of crunch to it. So yeah, I usually leave it about a minute or 2. Thank you, helper. Blueberries. I think my helper is going to have a snack of blueberries, and I want to thank him so much for being a part of this video. Mwah. Okay, so while your matzah is softening, all you're going to do is take 4 eggs and whisk them into a bowl. And then I'm just going to put in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper for flavoring. Okay, and then the last step is to just combine the matzah and the eggs. If you feel like you have too much milk with your matzah and it didn't absorb it all, you could drain a little bit off. It's also fine to leave it in. And then I'm just going to take a spatula and mix this together. Okay, and now we're ready to fry it up. I'm just going to take a little bit of unsalted butter to the dogs. I'm just going to take a little bit of unsalted butter to heat the pan with, and then we're going to fry it up. Okay, now this is gonna cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes or so. You really just have to watch and flip it once or twice. Oh. Okay guys, we just finished making our matzo brei. It took about 5 minutes in the pan, and then we just cut up some fruit to finish off the dish. And now I've got my taste tester helper here back. Let's see. Yeah, eggies. Can we taste it? Yummy. What do you think? I think that's a thumbs up. Is it yummy? I say yes. Yummy? Yummy? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye. We say bye-bye.